Hey guys, it's Cuervo here. Today you're gonna check out my spring EDC. So hold on to your butts and let's get on with this. So first item is little trucker style Filson hat. Um, just like it because it has these breathable walls on it. I think it's a 6-panel hat. And the cool thing about Filson is they wax their hats, so it's a little bit of water resistant. And then it has an adjustable strap. I don't have anything inside of it as of yet. I haven't figured out what to do inside of there, but it works. Giving the cowboy hat a rest this year, just trying something new. And yeah, it's a little Filson Hat. And then we go down to the chest pocket and then just have a little, it's an off-brand tactical pen. I'm not too sure. I got it from Big Lots. It's functional. The little glass breaker right there, just to write some field notes and stuff like that. I like to doodle a lot. And yeah, it takes your mind off of things and helps you write down ideas and stuff like that. And then the next one is a Timex Weekender. And a modification I done to this is I added wax to the band so it can be more, so it won't fall apart when you wash your hands and stuff like that, and your sweat and all that good stuff. It smells nice too. Alright, so the keys, this little this carabiner, I've been eyeing this little thing for a while. These are seatbelt cutters, a flathead screwdriver, but I didn't get it for that. Got it for this little. It's got little flints inside of it. It's mostly for like the pocket rockets. So, I mean, I thought that was really cool. And this little can opener that James gave me a long time ago. And then just a little leather craft to add to it. I don't know how old this thing is. It used to be like a khaki brown. Now it's just this dark. It looks pretty cool. Let's go with like pockets. I haven't carried a fixed blade since winter, so now I'm trying to just carry a little folder. There's a buck. This actually was a gift from my sister. She works in the Texas Transportation Department. And yeah. This is the lighter. I have got the light. I have a Through Night Pro. It's like the one I had last year, the winter, but it's a little bit bigger. It's the same settings. Not too big on the detailing and all that stuff, but it works. When you're working on your car in the middle of the night and all that stuff. And then I have the Leatherman, the Wingman. Let's open it up. Let's get your pliers. Get your Phillips flathead. And then, well, I found out from a viewer that this is a box opener. I didn't figure out what this thing was for, but yeah, if you remember who you are, please let me know. I want to say thank you. And then a filer, and the can opener. Yeah. Let me show you the blade. I think scissors, honestly, are very overlooked, but they work for a lot of things. Try to get rid of little nose hairs, they go up your beard. I mean, sorry, from your beard they go up to your nose. These help out. And you're trying to cut through plastics and stuff like that. But I always look for scissors in my multi-tools. They also help with guitars too, like cutting off the excess. I mean, I use this part too. But what is this part called again?
Wire cutters.
The wire cutters? Yeah. But yeah. And then if you're wondering what's in my right pocket, it's my phone. You need a phone.
iPhone 11.
Yeah, it's an iPhone 11. The funny thing is, I record most of the music with this thing. So, yeah, this thing. The phone helps out a lot. And then on this side, I just have. This is I think they're called key fobs, right? And it's from Red Claw Collective. And I just attached the deerskin braid to it. And then my wallet. Okay, so a lot of people ask me about this wallet. And this wallet is from Brixton, but it was a run that was made with they were doing a collaboration with Fender guitars, so that's why it has a pick sheath or whatever. But yeah, so these, they don't make them anymore. If you find them, it's gonna be from somebody selling it. But yeah, Brixton doesn't make this style anymore. So yeah, I guess it's one of a kind. And then the other one is bandana my girlfriend gave me. That's it. So that's it for the lower body portion. Alright, so this is just what I call my morning and my night jacket. I know it gets really hot during the day, but during the nighttime you need a little jacket in the morning too. And it's just the Levi's. I modded this part, so I colored it black. And it's a little wax too, just so it could be a little water resistant, wind resistant. And the pockets, I usually, here on the chest one, I have a little torch lighter. Can't see it, but yeah, it's a little gas station torch lighter. And then here, inside, a little inhaler. You didn't see that, but yeah, still a little night jacket. Cool. So let's go to the haversack. This is a hidden Woodsman. So let's talk about the sites. So a lot of the times we gather a lot of wood from like ditches and abandoned, like cut down trees, or just out in the field. But mesquite and cactus aren't, they're not your friends. So I attached these little work gloves, a little carabiner on the side, on the molly. And yeah, I mean, that's one thing. And then on the side, it's just a little Ozark canteen. I think it's a 32 ounce or 26 around there. But yeah, keeps the water cool. Attach this little sheath to it. So this year I'm traveling a little light on EDC stuff, just because as you get older, you start noticing you need less things, so, or you're more focused on other things, and so your gear gets lighter. And okay, so the patch, there's a limited amount at this time, so if you're interested in them, leave a comment down below. If you follow me on Instagram, the links are gonna be down there. And yeah, send me a message and I'll send you one. I'm not for free, but, but yeah, if you're interested in it. So in this first pocket, I have little fire starting kits. And they're just fire starting. I have matches in there, little char cloth, and the strikers right there. And then just wipies, in case you have to use them. That's it for right there. And here I have a little blade from our longtime friend, Mr. James Hyde, and he called this one Humo de la Noche. That's honestly one of my favorite knives. And if you're wondering what this little sheath is, it's from Montana. It's a brand called Montana, Americana. But you buy these at Crazy Crow store. Crazy Crow? Yeah. Pretty cheap. Durable stuff. And then here, it's a little ferro rod. This is from James Hyde too, right? And yeah, added this little leather braid to it, so I could have easy access to it. And then another gift from James Hyde, clipper lighter. So you can't have too many lighters, right? And then let's go on to the big stuff. So the first item is a little notebook, field notebook from Phoenix. I think they gave this to us for Christmas. Just a little gift. I haven't started on it yet, but I love the leather cover, right? And then it has a little, I don't know, just love these little accents on it. And I think, I'm not too sure, but I think this tree, I know it just looks like a normal tree, but I think it's a groza. That's what they call it, like the tree of life kind of thing. Yeah, this thing is cool. And then little Unigear spork with a bottle opener, and then just some cordage. I always carry this with me. I think it's habit now, but honestly I love this stuff. I love the way it smells. I love the way it works. I know that the company doesn't exist anymore, but damn that this thing stays with me mostly every pack. Alright, so the next item, the Yuko lantern, and we have a review on this thing, so check it out. Click it or get a ticket. And then it's my little traveling altar. The only thing I modded on this thing from the last time is like, sorry, I have a incense holder now. So I can hold these. And if you're wondering, this is sage, salt, myrrh, this is dragon's blood. Yeah. Alright, so this is the coolest item I have in here. The Junkyard Fox mug, or the traveling mug. It has our new design on there. And yeah, it works for almost anything. You're trying to get your morning coffee, the afternoon whiskey. Yeah, just having a good time. And if you want to purchase it, the links are going to be somewhere up here. And it helps support our trip to Utah coming soon. And you get to represent your favorite channel. Alright, so the last item is something of a habit at this point. It's just a little portable stove. It's a little fire ant. I love the ingenuity in these stoves. Get to make a little fire for warmth, just to cook something up really fast. You don't do anybody harm, and make a little fire. And that's it. You'll be on your way. And that's it. Alright, so that's my spring EDC for this spring. So thank you for watching. Comment down below if you have any questions, or you don't, you want to say hi. I'll say hi back. And yeah, thank you for watching. Thank you for everything you guys do for us. I don't get to say that enough, but it's much appreciated. It's a lot of love coming from us to you, and you from you to us. And yeah, so thank you for watching. Go outside and get your boots dirty, and rock on, dude. Oh yeah.